For small-scale operations, basic machines designed for lower output may start at around 5 美元。000. These typically include essential components like melting tanks, filtering systems, and packaging units. However, if you're looking for more advanced equipment with higher capacity and automated controls, the cost could rise to 20 美元 or more. Industrial-grade machines often come equipped with additional features such as temperature control systems, hydraulic presses, and conveyor belts. Another important consideration is whether to purchase new or used equipment. While buying second-hand machinery might save costs up front, it's crucial to weigh this against the potential maintenance expenses and shorter lifespans. Additionally, some manufacturers offer customization options, allowing buyers to tailor machines to their specific needs. It's also worth noting that the country of origin plays a significant role in determining the final cost. Machines made in China, for instance, tend to be more affordable compared to those produced in Europe or North America, but there may be differences in quality and after-sales service. Before making any investment, it's advisable to research multiple suppliers, request detailed quotes. Ultimately, while the initial cost of pig oil processing machinery is an important factor, considering long-term benefits such as durability, ease of use,